We'll just get the old production department set up properly here. There we go. Now this is going to be a how-to vid, a how-to gym update. So I've been really busy with the yard here, and I'm only halfway through what I want to do for the month, and I'm over halfway in the month. So I had a rope here somewhere. Where is that? Where is that? Bear with us. Okay, I found it. Don't panic. So pull-ups. Now, I like doing lat pulls on the machine. And are we on? Yeah. But of course, with an overhead bar, you can do it. Now this one here is quite good because I can do, I can pronate and use my buys. So this ladder system here, that's been here for some years, is actually quite a good workout rack, believe it or not. I've only just realised that, because what I did is I've come out here, I've got an old rope that was on the gate, and I had in my house, before I cashed out and bailed to a better life, in my big garage, when Convid was on, we all remember that fiasco. I had a whole lot of plates from machines, and I had 20-litre buckets, and I built a seated row with cable, my D-grip, and some pulleys that I bolted into the overhead rafters, and footrest, and I just rode with a heap of 6 kg plates and a 20-litre bucket. Now for centre lower back, and then I had some shelves, and I just put a bracket up in the joist, overhead joist. Trying to think what I did there, and attached to that a chain. So this will be the chain, but it's a rope, and I found in a skip a shitty home gym, but what it had on it for the seated lat pull, which was just a shitty, cheap home gym arrangement, it had a good wide grip handle on it, about 700 wide, which is a good, for my size, 700 wide, with bent hand grip was just good. So we haven't got that, but what we've got here, what do you call these things? A balustrade, a baluster for walking upstairs, right? I just found this in the rubbish. Now, what I'm going to attempt to do is show you that we can here do a similar thing. I'm just trying to think the height I had it, because this is a bit low here. Again, because I want to be right off the ground. I don't want my back to be anywhere near the ground. Get that rope through there. I don't want to cut this rope because it's the only one on the property, and it could come in for some future use. I'd put it aside, and someone's going to be watching this video, and I'm going to say, why did you put it in the bin? It's a useful piece of equipment, a rope. Keep one rope on your property. Tow rope, tying things down. Now, I've got to trust myself, you see. Tighten that up. And I might put another overhead one here, just to double up, because this is years old and it's been out in the weather. I don't know what condition it's in, so we'll double up on that. That's good. I'll triple up on that. There's a cat shit out here somewhere, or a dog. Right, now I've got the seat in the way, so we'll move the seat out of the way. Now I haven't done anything for a few days, so I'm going to be a bit low on strength. And the point is here that God, I hope it doesn't break. That I can put my feet anywhere. Now that's quite easy. This is a bit harder. Oh yeah, I'm on. You see, I'm close to the back one here. And as I elevate my feet, oh, that's a lot harder. You see. Now it's a pity that these are square, because I really want to be out there. The wider the grip, the wider the V in your back. The closer the grip, the closer to the centre of your back muscles you're working. So if you want to work the upper wider part of your lats, you widen your grip. Now of course, a D grip, if I had a D, a close handled grip, I could get right in, and that's what I like to do. So this is just being able to do something at home using anything. Back workout. I get full extension, keep my back straight. And there you have it, a inverted row. I like them, they're good. They really get in there. And again, I can leave that there. Again, I've got this here. I can supinate or pronate my grip. Now I'm not getting right up because I actually haven't done many of these. And you know, free body weight functional movements is really good exercise. Calisthenic type exercise is getting really popular now. A few weeds are coming up again. Bloody things, eh? These viney things. Look at that. They're getting in already. You know, and I really used to like on Da Nang Beach watching the guys there. There was one guy, he's a French guy I met, cool guy, very solo traveller he was, solo operator. I'd see him walk around, I'd never see him converse or anything. But miles up the beach I saw him, and he actually had these cool stripy Papillon, remember the movie Papillon with Steve McQueen? Papillon pants on, I like them. And I was on my bike doing a big ride, and I stopped him, introduced myself, always ask first, is it okay if I talk to you, mate? And he was really, really good. Where'd you get your pants, he told me. Now he's the only guy who I saw who did a reverse, I can't do it, I can't get anywhere near it, a reverse one-up pull-up. And he was a big guy too. He'd be 95 kg, 6 foot. I've stacked on a bit of weight. I'm 88 at the moment, not good. I want to get down to 84. So there you go. Back workout, variability on the difficulty. And if I really want to get cheeky, I can get up here, like so. But of course, the higher you go, the harder it is to dig into the back, because your range of movement decreases. The higher I raise my feet, the range of movement decreases because of the pull angle. So I could play with that. I could possibly put it in there and come in from a different angle on the rope. And I think that would work. So there you go, there's a bit of home exercise update. I'm still stuck at 7,500 reps for the year on day 31. 31 plus 16, 47. So I'm roughly at about my average of 166 reps a day to make the 60,000 for the year. So I'll knock out a workout here while I'm at it. I'll do a little bit. Food's on the table now, so that's good timing. And we'll take it from there. Cool.